Azotemia. Introduction. Please point to the kidney. Choose one of the following options. Correct. Each kidney is shaped like a bean. The human body has 2 kidneys. What can cause azotemia? Choose one of the following options. 1. A blockage in the kidney's collecting system. 2. Any conditions that reduce blood flow to the kidneys. 3. Kidney damage. 4. All of the above. Correct. Doug has noticed that his ankles and legs are swollen. He has been feeling tired and weak. Sometimes Doug also has pain below his rib cage. Could his symptoms be caused by azotemia? Select yes or no. Correct. Leg swelling, feeling tired and weak, and pain below the rib cage may be a sign of a problem. Doug should contact his healthcare provider. Do all cases of azotemia need to be treated with surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Not all cases of azotemia require surgery. Thank you for using Explain.